Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add regular time on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and right above this chart you can see the setting option at top right corner. Simply click over there, and now you need to be in symbol section, and in this section you can see the time zone just down below this. So once you click over there you can change your time zone successfully, and by chance if you don't find the setting option, you simply need to right click on this chart and you'll be able to see setting option at the bottom. So once you click on it you can see time zone over here. You need to click over there, and now you can add your regular time successfully from here. So basically this is how you can add regular time on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.